Land Rover India has introduced the 2021 Range Rover Evoque in the country with prices starting at 64,12,000 rupees for the S diesel variant and going up to 66,60,000 rupees for the R Dynamic SE petrol version. All prices are ex-showroom India. Land Rover has trimmed the variant lineup and the model is available in only these two variants. For the 2021 model year, the Range Rover Evoque has been updated with 3D surround camera, cabin air ionization with PM 2.5 filter, wireless charging with phone signal booster, and the new PV Pro infotainment system. The cabin also gets new dual-tone deep garnet and ebony upholstery for the first time. Power comes from the 2-litre Ingenium family of petrol and diesel engines, and the model does not get any visual changes over the older version. Tata Motors has announced that it plans to increase prices across its passenger vehicle lineup. As of now, the company has not revealed the timeline or the quantum of the price hike on its cars. However, Tata did mention that the increase in prices is due to the steep climb in overall input costs. Tata has said that the formal announcement about the quantum of the price increase is likely to be made within the next coming days. The automaker previously increased prices in May this year by 1.8%. Apart from Tata Motors, automakers including Maruti Suzuki and Honda Cars India have also announced price hikes across their respective model range. Volkswagen Group has handed its control of the iconic Bugatti brand via Porsche to Rimac and formed a new joint venture called Bugatti Rimac. With this move, the Croatian engineering firm will hold a 55% share in the Bugatti Rimac joint venture, while Porsche owns 45%. Meanwhile, Porsche still owns a 24% stake in Rimac directly after the company's $83 million investment back in March this year. Rimac and Bugatti as brands will remain separate. While Bugattis will be built to their exacting standards from their home in France, Rimac will continue to be made in Croatia. The joint venture's new headquarters will be located in Croatia, complete with a new test track, while Mate Rimac, founder of Rimac Automobili, will act as Bugatti Rimac's CEO.
We simply love hearing from you. So your comments and feedback are important. Subscribe to our channel, react to this video, and of course, watch our other videos too.